So we're here with one of the lead actors in the brand new Jamaican movie, Destiny, Lyndon Ford. Lyndon, is this your first movie?
This is my first feature film.
Oh, your first feature film?
First feature film.
I thought I was gonna come down here, sell the land that we own, and now I just got broadsided.
You're in Jamaica. Tell me in Jamaica.
I'm actually in Kingston.
Michael has been here since yesterday.
Do not destroy my house! You could have said something.
Give me that money shot and let me give you that credit. I move my body like you might get in it. I throw it up, baby, run, come get it. Who run, baby?
Pick you up so I can get a whole day away from here.
I don't think that's a good idea, Prince.
Yeah, okay, Lisa, thanks. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Dirty Prince, who that?
I'm a passenger.
Who that? Hello? How which drunk are this?
How was the experience?
I mean,
Tell the truth.
I mean, I
If
can't-
Jeremy was very mean, you know, behind the scenes, just
no, Jeremy, I mean, he knows what he wants and he'll, take as many takes to get his shot.
Uh-huh.
But I mean, as far as making everyone feel comfortable, I mean, he's great with managing egos and things like that on set.
Could you tell me what this movie Destiny is about?
Okay, so basically, Carrie Ann Sang plays the lead. Her name is Lisa.
Yeah.
She's living in Toronto at the time, and she has to come to Jamaica to handle some family business.
Yeah.
She comes down, she meets, a popular figure down here.
that Christopher Martin?
That's Christopher Martin.
Yeah.
And basically, you have to kind of watch to see what ensues. I played.
Yeah, come here, so you're Christopher Martin.
I'm basically the person and the life she's running from.
Oh.
And it's like, she just can't seem to escape.
So now I'm talking to the director of the brand new Jamaican hottest movie out right now called Destiny. And this is the big bad man, Mr. Director, Jeremy Whittaker. Jeremy, how is it like producing a movie, doing a movie like this?
Awesome. No Batman thing though.
Batman forward, Batman pull up.
But yeah, it's good. We
Yeah.
had a real good time making the movie.
Did the Jamaican government support you? Because you hear about one movie and the money and all kind of things for offset costs. Did the Jamaican government support you?
I'm not financially, but they supported us in different ways. There's different ways you can help a production like this, and they did.
They cover transportation, what did they do?
No, they actually granted me motion picture recognition status. That means, a lot of, different things, but, there's different ways they support film.
You got to work with the lovely Carrie Ann Sang.
Tell me what you say, hey, tell me what you say. Girl, you want my body, you can have it all day.
What was that like? Because she's quite a presence.
Yeah. She steps into the room and it's just like,
Vadam bam.
yeah, everyone knows where she's at.
We're able to focus and just keep it
Yeah,
professional.
you know what? I didn't really know her before.
Yeah.
But we met each other and we really got right down into it. We got really comfortable. I mean, we play love interest somewhat, but we were a love interest, so there's
What did you say?
What do you mean,
that-
were like before the movie started?
Yeah.
What?
The movie starts and
You said before y'all got together for the movie, y'all were loving.
in the plot.
Oh, okay. I'm just trying. Okay.
In the plot.
Oh,
in the
okay. So
plot
before,
of the
okay,
film.
because
Yeah, there we
I've seen the trailer and I recognize that there are a couple of local celebrities that have made some appearance in the movie.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of wondering why didn't I get a call? Not even a little 1 second walk past the screen, Jeremy. Like not even to just come in a little one box cover. Like I think it would have been epic, but it's okay. It's clear
Dr.
nobody
Berry,
cares.
though-
Yeah.
Jamaica, you have
I'm
to
offended.
understand.
I'm literally offended.
You have to understand.
Uh-huh.
There was one comedic role. One comedic role of Dirty Berry. And I'm sorry, it went to IT.
I'm not gonna shed no tears.
Tell the people who are some of the public figures that made appearances.
We got a good blend, right? We have a blend of veteran actors like Munir Zaka.
Yes.
Kirsten Whittaker. People might not know her, but she's really talented. She plays Aunt Janet.
So Nadine Rollins.
Christopher
Yeah.
Hutchinson, and then we have Jamaican entertainers like IT, Chris Martin,
Miss Kitty.
Tifa, Spice,
Spice, yeah.
and then we have overseas actors that are Jamaican based,
Yeah.
but they live overseas like Lyndon Fort, Sabrina Colley who plays Mystic, and Carrie Ann sang. So it's a good blend of, you know, Jamaica, but they're all Jamaican cast though.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. All right.
That's all right to tell people why they should come out and see Destiny.
Okay.
Ready? Hold on.
Where's the timer? I mean, is it
Yeah,
like
timer.
Jeopardy, like
You know what I mean? I'll put it in that. I'll put it in that. Ready? Make a start. Ready?
All right.
Go.
Okay, Destiny. It's a great Jamaican film.
Come on,
it showcases the country in an amazing way I don't think has been done before, and it's a relatable story.
Done. That's it.
Yeah, that's
it.
No,
You know,
I'm not done, man. So look, you gotta go watch Destiny. No, it's great. Honestly, I think a lot of Jamaicans can relate.
I'm going to see if we can do a better job than what Mr. Lyndon over there did. 10 seconds, right?
Yeah.
I want you to urge people out there, why should they come and see this movie, Destiny? See camera there. Ready?
It's
1,
a Jamaican movie.
2,
Jamaican actors.
3,
Made by Jamaicans.
4,
For Jamaicans.
5,
Everywhere you go,
6,
you represent
7,
on camera, on
8,
screen.
Oh, yeah. You see that done? That was good. See the right there and then run it up. So that's it, Burritos. Fantastic interview with the director over here, Mr. Jeremy Whitaker, and the biggest, baddest new kid on the block right there, Sir Lyndon Fort. All right. So how can people come out and see this movie? Where?
Yeah, it's going to be at Carib, Sovereign,
Yes.
and Mobay Pilots Multiplex.
To the country people, no way. Oh God, now for just find a way come town.
Or Montego Bay.
Yeah, them can travel. So in case so how can people, like, if they want to find out more about the movie and little, you know, stuff, where they can, social media wise, where they can find
There's a Destiny Facebook page, I believe.
Destiny, what you say?
Destiny is Facebook/Destiny feature
film. All right.
Yeah, there it is. And
you're gonna plug your Twitter or
oh,
Facebook
yeah,
or
if you
something.
want to check me out, it's Lyndon Ford on Instagram and Twitter, just first name, last name.
Are you Instagrammable?
Yeah, at Jeremy_Whitaker.
All right. Well, that's it. Make sure you come out, Burritos, and see the brand new movie, Destiny, and my biggest new bridging right here. So now promise me, so the next movie, IT, you have no role in there. I'm going to come in there, all right? That's it. All right. Thank you very much. Peace out.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching part 1 of this interview. Now click this box right here so for part 2.
6'1". It's just that he's about 7'5".
Yeah, 7'5". So that's why it looks this way.
Yeah. Thank you.